C carrot. D diglett. D for eggplant.
E for eggplant. E eggplant. F for fenugreek. F fenugreek.
G for garlic. G garlic.
E garlic.
H for hot pepper.
H for hot pepper. H hot pepper. I for iceberg. I iceberg. J for jalapeno. J jalapeno.
K for kale.
K for wheat.
L leaf.
K sardine.
L mushroom.
M for mushroom.
M mushroom. N for nori. N nori.
O for onion. O onion.
P for potato. P potato. Q for quinoa.
Q quinoa.
R radish.
R has spinach. S spinach.
T for tomato.
C tomato. U bay. U bay.
V for vegetables. W for carrots. W for carrots. X for sheepcloths.
I for yam.
I yam. Z for zucchini. C zucchini.